Have you tried the best beef stew recipe? Super delicious because of the 3 secret ingredients. It is one of the best beef stew recipes of YouTube cooking. That's right. So please watch until the end to learn how to cook the best caldereta recipe. Hi guys, this is Forlitz and welcome to my channel, the Forlitz Sky. Welcome to our last episode of Season 1 Lukban Cuisine. Yes, this is our last episode number 21, and we're done for Season 1 of Lukban Cuisine. In this episode, let me show you how to cook the best beef stew in YouTube cooking. Yes, the best beef stew in YouTube cooking, at least according to my husband. But you'll be able to confirm or agree with me if you follow this delicious recipe with three secret ingredients. So please watch until the end of this video to find out these 3 secret ingredients and the process on how to cook this delicious caldereta or beef stew. But first, if you're new to this channel and like this kind of video about cooking and gardening, please subscribe to this channel and help me grow my audience. So now that we are ending our Lukban Cuisine, the next content that I will be uploading is all the vegetable, fruits that I will be harvesting at my backyard and incorporate them in my cooking. For all my 1,200 subscribers, please put a comment down below and let's start this community to help each other and to know each other better so we can progress as one community. Let me know if you have any suggestion or anything that you would like me to incorporate in my videos. So let's start the conversation and let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 1 whole onion, 1/4 cup minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of flaked chili peppers, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 can of tomato sauce, 2 pounds of beef cut into medium bite-sized cube, 1 whole fresh tomato, seeds has been discarded, carrots same size as the meat, small red potatoes cut into 2 pieces, and bell peppers. I will reveal the secret ingredients during the process steps. Step number 1. Stir fry the veggies and meat, then set them aside. Start with potato, then the carrots, bell peppers, and the last is meat. The goal is to brown the veggies and meat. You do not need to cook them thoroughly. Once they are done, set them aside. Now heat the pot and reuse the olive oil to saute. Then we are ready for step number 2. Saute all the ingredients. Onion in, followed by the garlic. Stir them, cover for 3 minutes to caramelize. Once the time is over, put the meat in. Salt and pepper, chili flakes, and give them a stir. Soy sauce in, followed by the fresh tomatoes. Put the lid on and simmer for 3 minutes. Once 3 minutes is over, let's put our secret ingredient number 1, and that is sweet pickles. Cut them into small bite pieces, about a cup of it. I incorporate this ingredient because of its sweetness to balance the sourness of tomatoes. Adding the pickles before step number 3 is the right timing. The pickles have to be in the pot while the meat is in phase of tenderizing or in a phase of slow cooking to intensify the taste of meat. Step number 3. Mix the tomato sauce and slow cook them for 90 minutes on medium-low heat. After the time is over, test the meat if the desired tenderness has been achieved. Step number 4. Add the vegetables and cook them for 5 minutes. And the last step, step number 5, is to thicken the sauce. Add our secret ingredient number 2, the potted meat. Not only that the potted meat adds more flavor, but it also serves as a thickener to bind all the ingredients together. Stir them and cover for 3 minutes. Then add the secret ingredient number 3, the Havarti cheese. Just add about 8 pinches of Havarti cheese and enough to elevate the flavor and texture of the beef stew sauce. Stir them together and we are done. Let me scoop and plate our beef stew to prepare for our tasting session. And here you go guys, our finished product. Smells so delicious, I can't wait to taste it. Okay guys, welcome to our tasting session. Let's try this beef stew. Meat is so tender. Heaven, it is so delicious. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it if you try this recipe. At least my number 1 customer, my 93 years old nanay, is very happy. Happy tummy, happy nanay, happy life. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. This is the end of Season 1, the Lukban Cuisine. Thanks for watching the Forlitz Sky. See you next time.